Guys, my freaking mom told me not put out a video, so I had to delete it. Oh, I feel rain. It's so dark right now. Oh, I know it's not like the exact same dark limit on your screen, but it's so dark right now. It's not that. Holy!
Let's go where they see the trees close.
Look out to them over there.
Not us.
I know. That's just pitch black right there. Cause that's just
Oh, that's good.
holy! Oh! That's a lot of rain.
That's my just problem.
Listen to the wind.
Oh! Oh, golly!
That's tornado.
Golly! Golly! Oh, golly!
You know there was tornado warnings in those places.
They'll come through.
They'll come on my phone if I got it.
Holy! It's so dark right now. I'm a little soaked. I gotta get closer.
Oh my God.
Holy!
Lulu, what is it?
Goodness! Holy dog! Oh my! You can see what it is right now. My camera won't let me get it, but it just started to go so extreme. It's so extreme. Thanks, Mom. Holy cow, that's not even working.
Oh, you can't see nothing but the damn screen. It's just flash on.
It's so bad right now.
I can see the trees.
Oh my goodness. Holy. This is so bad right now.
That's what we waited on.
You know, I'm this is oh my. I didn't even say I was gonna do a video, but I was. When it got extreme, I was gonna do it yesterday because I was gonna do but it has gotten extreme. But don't worry, we do gotta show it. My skin's completely black.
Dorian's coming.
She's coming.
He was like, I'm getting wet, Mom.
Holy! I'm itching so much. It's flooded. Mom, can you flash a flashlight real quick?
Oh my God.
Mom, like look, it's actually flooded. Thanks, Mom. It's actually flooded. Oh my. I swear the power's about to go out and turn back on.
No, it's not.
I swear the internet.
I'm done with you. I'm not losing our power. We're good.
Nana, stop.
Yeah, I don't lose no power.
Me either. I really don't lose any power, but we might. I'm just saying.
Losing.
This ain't even, this ain't even nothing
This
yet.
ain't nothing yet. It's coming.
She's not even,
This is not even
2 hours,
anything.
the wind will blow so hard that everything up the trees will lay over.
yeah, look.
Everything's coming.
What?
What is
It's not even here.
That's where the hurricane is. This is where we are. The
It's
little
not
blue
here
dot.
yet.
Oh, okay.
3 a.m. It's like blow
3
so
a.m.
hard it'd be unreal.
Yeah, this
Everyone
is
might be waked up.
Trees will lay
No,
over.
people will be waked up at 3 a.m. Wait,
We
3.
need to go put on the weather channel and tell us.
This is the beforehand stuff.
We're gonna talk about the hurricane.
When the hurricane actually gets here, the winds don't stop. They lay over.
Yeah, it's just like
The
constant.
trees lay over. Wait till it's done. Come on.
You got a big nail here, but you should have went in.
Oh my!
That was just amazing.
I should have.
What do you think this is from? A tornado or hurricane? Hurricane Dorian. I already said that at the. I don't think I've been in the video. My scooter is so. You can't even see it.
She said meat.
There's nothing. You can barely see anything right now. This is the weather. It's so. It is getting dark.
Pork rinds?
And also, it was.
It don't matter what.
No, see that little. There's a little bit of pink on my. What I see it now, it just won't show up on the camera. But yeah, I can see it on the camera a little because of good eyes. And
One.
it was just all completely.
On 3, jump. 1, 2, 3.
It was just completely pink. Then I watched the storm move in. It just got. I saw the beginning of the storm just form. But this is not anything crazy. The only thing crazy is how dark it is.
There's one of them crazy clouds that put this color on.
I see it. It's a big sky.
It's
Yeah.
you should watch this video.
So did she miss living in California?
She definitely was happy to be home.
Yeah.
I was laughing at one of the pictures she had with one of her cousins. Remember? That looked so scary. She's like, "Ooh, sexy." I was like,
Oh no, that's her friend.
her friend looks scary.
Yeah. She said can't.
Relief for the blue sky.
She has a 5-year-old
Can you see that?
who is autistic.
I think you can see that. I can see that on the screen.
She's like,
We're gonna talk about the
likes
hurricane.
to wear any clothes or underwear.
When I'm
Yeah.
going inside, so let's get the footage of the storm. And then
And if it was so bad, like in our house, and like
it's so dark right now.
5-year-old like crawling all over.
I can't
me,
even-
like wanted to be like in a lab,
It's
and,
so
like
black right
out,
now.
and like I have to be like.
I'm watching the screen. Like
She's like, when he's
I
home,
can screen
like,
on
they
that.
don't make him because it's like
too much
overwhelming
for
for
him.
him. He likes to just.
It's still wet.
He blows in the backboard.
She's like, I was trying to be respectful of it, but God, and she goes in there and be like, all right, go, and just scream at me.
Tina said that her first
Red
husband
fang,
married a woman
red
that-
fang, then a little red fang.
So I don't think it was her first husband that she had the son by.
Totally.
And she said that she was friendly with
What
him.
is that?
She's got those that's on the they had autistic.
Oh my God.
One of them was like,
You're on the spectrum.
That red fang, that's the one
she
shining.
said it was
When the
that's what
stay
she
right
talked
there, I
about,
see it.
you know, with getting dressed.
Moving, guys. Moving my
She said she was bad.
you're so moving. Come on,
I can't.
I think one couldn't move.
We're supposed to be talking about the hurricane, but this is the end of the storm. And at the end of the
And I think
video,
that was her first husband, but she's, I think it was,
and it was 7 minutes long.
and I don't really know who.
Guys, I know what I said.
Might not have been one of her husbands. but she said-
Oh my God!
Yes, and he's in college.
19.
Yeah, 19 now.
You can-
He's 18 last year. And he's at goes to college in Texas. And she was talking about.
It's
the
so
last
dark
husband,
right now.
or one of
Like, you
the
can't even
husbands,
see my
or one of the last
face
husbands, another husband
on
that was
the
in
screen.
Florida that
I can't even see my face on the
he
screen.
stayed around and visited.
Yo, do you see that right
He
there?
would be like,
That's
that's her lot.
you can see my hands a little. Oh, I see. You guys can't see me a little. Just a little.
She, when your kid was one thing. She only had one.
Yeah, but I can see myself now.
But
It's not who she
she
is.
requires.
I can barely see myself now.
Here's
You know-
the thing, like for me, I wasn't.
Yeah,
sure
I might end the video then we're gonna talk
until
about
I got my husband, and
the
I
hurricane. Yeah, so
like
the bye.